Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The Honorable Mrs. Mana Maulina, SP, SPD, and PDGR. The Honorable Mr. Randall Carter. Teachers and dear friends, it's a pleasure to have all of you here with us today's Meet and Greet with Native Speaker event.
This is a wonderful opportunity for us to learn more about language and culture directly from a native speaker. My name is Amrifki Pratama.
I am Zahra Rehana. And we will be your MC for today. We are so excited to be here with all of you, and we hope we're as eager as we are to meet our special guest and learn a lot from today's event.
Before we start, let's kick things off with a special performance from our talented student.
Please welcome Mr. Zaidan, Miss Alicia, Alifa, Raisha, Aisha, Cila, and Mr. Fatah. 1, 2, 3. Dentist, dokter gigi, fisherman, nelayan, policeman, polisi, technician, teknisi, farmer, petani, postman itu tukang pos, tailor, penjahit, sailor, pelaut, driver itu sopir, nurse itu perawat, soldier tentara, pilot itu pilot, dokter, carpenter, tukang kayu, chef, koki, lawyer itu pengacara, fireman, pemadam kebakaran, itu semua adalah pekerjaan. Dentist, dokter gigi, fisherman, nelayan, policeman, polisi, technician, teknisi, farmer, petani, postman itu tukang pos, tailor, penjahit, sailor, pelaut, driver itu sopir, nurse itu perawat, soldier tentara, pilot itu pilot, dokter, carpenter, tukang kayu, chef, koki, lawyer itu pengacara, fireman, pemadam kebakaran, itu semua adalah pekerjaan.
Wait! Zara, let's give some question about profession.
That's a good idea, Rifki. We should try it. Okay, the rules are, I will say the characteristics about the professions. And if you know the answer, you may take a step forward. Are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Okay, first question. I can cook very well. I make delicious meals. Who am I?
Chef.
Is that correct?
Give applause. Question number 2. I'm teaching people and I love kids. Who am I?
I'm a teacher.
Is that correct? Give applause.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Mrs. and Misters, for what a wonderful performance.